Hi there. Well, I'm so excited. Finally, we have the Mi TV 4a Pro 49 inches. So I got this from mi.com for 29,999. I ordered this on 9th of October at the 9 p.m. sale and I received this on 11th October in Mumbai. So delivery is quite fast. So in this video, we're going to do the unboxing. We're going to see what's inside the box. We're going to set it up. We're going to see how the Android TV experience is along with the patchwall experience. So continue watching this video. This is your friend TechSing. Let's get started. So the box is identical to the one we received with the 43-inch. The only difference is that now it mentions Android TV, Google Assistant, Google Play and Chromecast on the box. Inside the box you will get two TV stands, 12-button remote, some screws and setup guide. The bezels of the 49-inch are smaller than the 43-inch and the texture is matte and it looks really nice. Here is a comparison of the 49-inch and the 43-inch Mi TV. The build quality is quite good, a mix of matte and glossy. Some ports are on the right, some are behind. Once wall mounted, the ones behind will be hard to reach. The ports on the right are one HDMI ARC, two HDMIs, two USB 2.0s and antenna. And behind are AV composite, SPDIF and Ethernet. So here is the Pro Series remote, and the difference here is the previous year 43-inch was an infrared and this year the 49-inch is a Bluetooth remote. And all of them have Google Voice Search on the remote. If you can see, there's a mic button here and there's a microphone on the top. The only buttons changed have here, we had a home button, that is now the Mi button, so it takes you to the Patchwall OS, and when you press the O button it takes you to the Android OS. The only thing missing on this remote is a mute button. Why would a television remote not have a mute button? Come on Xiaomi, do this for us, get us the mute button on the remote. Alright, let's turn it on. So finally it's nice to see an Android logo on a Mi TV. So let's begin with the setup. Insert battery in the remote. So now you point your remote towards the TV and pair it, because now the remote is a Bluetooth remote. So you press the Mi button and the Android button together till you hear a beep sound. There you go, remote paired. So the setup is fairly easy. Enter Wi-Fi password, Google credentials and it's done in about 5 minutes. So welcome to the Android OS on the Mi TV. So it's like the typical Android OS on a TV. So first thing we see is the Patchwall Smart OS, and this looks identical to the old Mi TVs. Of course, coming down here now, instead of the apps, we have the Google Play Store. Finally, you have the YouTube pre-installed, media player, Sensei TV guide, which is going to help if you are connected to the IR Blaster. Live TV is for antenna connection. When you go in more, you see all the apps that are there. Wow, Z5 comes pre-installed and a Z5 app. That looks really impressive. First, let's see in the settings. So first thing is network, so it'll show you Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection. Inputs will give you HDMI's, AV connections. Google Cast is Chromecast connection. Sound, picture will be the display settings. Apps are the apps that you have already installed. If you want to delete them, you can delete them from here. So screensaver is actually a Chromecast TV face which starts after 5 minutes of inactivity. So it's going to show you the time and it's also going to show you the network it's connected to. So it's like Chromecast built in on the bottom and there's a time, and these are wallpapers which will keep changing after a couple of seconds or minutes. Storage and reset, you can do a factory reset here. About, okay, Android TV, and we are running 8.1.0 Oreo, so that's really interesting. You can connect a Bluetooth accessories, so like this Xiaomi RC, that is the remote. You can add more like your headphones or your home theater system. or even your joystick. Anything that is Bluetooth compatible will connect here. Location, security, Google and guide. Wow, that's a lot. So let's come down here and see. Okay, hot picks on patch wall. Then we have trending on YouTube. You can keep seeing here. Then you have Google Play movies and TV. Of course, this content should be paid, so you can buy from here, you can rent from here. Let's go back. Let's try Google Play Music. Okay, so audio seems to be playing fine. There are lots and lots of collection here. Okay, and now the volume comes on the top, not right in the center of the screen, which is quite good actually. And when you are playing something on Google Music, it's going to show up on the top of your screen, so you can open it up from here as well as you can stop it from here. So let's open and see what else can we play. Okay, I think this is a good song to check out the speaker quality. Okay, that goes really loud. I'm not even halfway and it's really loud. Okay, that's really good. The sound is pretty similar to what we have seen on the Mi TV 4a 43 inches. I'll do a detailed review about it. Let's turn on to YouTube now. Let me tell you, the HD quality is amazing. YouTube plays flawlessly. The colors look really vibrant and beautiful, and trust me, no settings have been done till now. No brightness, contrast, saturation, nothing has been set, and still it looks beautiful. Let's play one more video and see how well it performs. And as you can see, it looks gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. The display quality, the picture quality is beautiful. I'm really impressed. The 7th generation imaging engine is definitely showing. Looks really beautiful. Let's check out what other apps are available. We have YouTube, Google Play Music. Let's see the Play Store. Okay, finally it's nice to see something that is official, and let me tell you that these are all Android TV apps and not mobile TV apps which are blown big on the TV screen. So that's one good thing, though I'm not finding many helpful apps here though, frankly. Okay, there are games here as well. We have Asphalt 8, we have Beach Buggy. Let's open Beach Buggy and let's play this and see. Alright, the graphics actually look quite impressive. And the fun part is that I'm playing this with the TV remote, not with the joystick, as you can see. And there are no drop frames at all. Amazon Prime, no results, so Amazon Prime is still not available. Let's try Netflix, and there is no Netflix as of now. So that's really sad that actually Amazon Prime and Netflix is not available right now. And finally, let's check out the Google Voice search. Let's see. Tech Sing videos on YouTube. Wow, that is impressive. Let's see. What is the weather like in Mumbai?
Partly cloudy with a forecast high of 36 and a low of 27.
So let's check Chromecast. Going to the YouTube app on my phone. Let's search for Tech Sing. Alright. And as the video is about to start, I can see the Chromecast logo here connecting to Android, and there you go. Wow, that was almost instantaneous. Wow. Let me slow that down a bit. Wow, that was really fast. Let's play something else quickly and see. Okay, so that's good. So basically Chromecast works absolutely fine. So here's a good news for Amazon Prime fans. I sideloaded Amazon Prime Video because it was not available on the Play Store, and to my surprise, Amazon Prime Video works flawlessly, perfectly fine, full HD with good quality. You can change the language. Here it is. You can add subtitles, you can change languages, you can change font size, and it works in such good clarity, HD clarity. I'm not sure if it's 4K, but HD clarity to the best quality. In my review video, I shall be showing how you can install this on your pro versions, and it works absolutely fine. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed unboxing it. Lots and lots of videos coming about the Mi TV 4a Pro 49 inches. I'll be installing third-party apps, playing some games, and we're going to see how well they perform. Also, an in-depth review video is coming soon, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.